guys, welcome back to my channel once again, and I hope everyone is doing fine. Looking at the condition of the market, everyone were expecting bull run on BTC, and yet we're still below 10k. Well, so far so good. The chart is looking undecided for now. So many chat on Twitter, a lot of people saying BTC will go to 16k. Well, I never can tell. This crypto is you cannot really predict what will happen tomorrow. But majorly this video I want to focus on margin trading. I want to talk a little about margin trading, and want to take like one or two trades on this, and we'll look at one chart and look at how we're going to make little profit from it, and basically we're focusing on margin trading on this video, and in the coming videos I'll be posting a lot of videos now. So making different type of videos on sports trading, margin trading, daily calls, and market updates. So like the button and subscribe so you can get updates on any video I post. So let's dive straight into margin trading. So I am basically using Okex for this trading. So what we want to do now is this. We're looking at margin trading. What is margin trading? A lot of people are very scared and they don't know how to use this margin trading. Though you need to know that margin trading involves a very high risk. So before you go into it, you make sure you know more about risk management and how to reduce your risk. So margin trading is a method of trading assets using funds provided by a third party. So when you're comparing margin trading to regular trading account, margin trading allows traders to access greater sum of capital. So when I say margin trading, I'm talking about if you have let's assume we have I want to look at this particular pair. So let's assume we have this now, and so what we're seeing here is if you want to use a margin trading, in which normal spot trading, which is regular trading, you just buy here and buy low, sell high, and once it's coming down you set your stop loss, and if you don't set it you will lose a lot of money and the rest. That is for regular trading, that is spot trading. But margin trading, whenever you spot that okay, this price will eventually come down to this level, you can open a short position, while if what we're seeing here is we'll have high probability price will test this resistance, so you can open a long position. So back to Okex again. So now I'm on Okex using a margin trading, and if you look at it, Okex on Qtum BTC is 3x. So what we want to do here, we are not going to short, we're not going to buy, we're not going to buy or long, we're not going to sell or short. So if you're selling, which is coming down, you short. If you're buying, which is going up, you long. So you just don't need to go to any pair and start buying just because you're seeing that is 3% plus. What you need to do is look at the chart, make your fund available, and dive straight into margin trading. So now you need to understand how to take these positions. You don't just go into the market like that, buy whatever you want to buy. what you need to do is make out that trend line that will give you the resistance, point out the level at which you want to place your order, and let it be. So now I don't have any fund here, so I will need to transfer some fund from my USDT straight to BTC. So what I'm going to do here is I will go to market. From this market I have my USD, so I'll go to trade. Then from here I have USD, just have little amount, but I need to transfer it back. Okay, need to transfer it back to, I need to transfer it back to BTC USD. So currently the balance is on this. I'm not sure I'm getting this margin trading. Let me get where I have my balance. I'm just using a little amount for this, just want to show an example on how, okay, this is my balance. I need to locate where I have this. So I'll go back to this. So I have it on BSV, should be on BS, okay, BSV USD should be BSV USD, okay, which is around here. So this way I have my balance. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer from BSV USD, I'm going to transfer it to BTC USD. So USDT, I'm transferring from margin account for spot to the same margin account for spot. Now I'm transferring from BSV USD to BTC USD, and I'm transferring all amount. This is just $19, and so after this is successful, you can refresh this place, and okay, spot trading. Okay, so this is what I was trying to get. So I have to do some transfer, which if I'm not getting it, then I have to go to assets. Okay, go to transfer. Then now I want to transfer my USDT from my margin account for spot, and I'm transferring to spot account. Now what pair do I want to transfer it to? I want to transfer it to BTC USDT, and I'll transfer all amount. So once this is confirmed, I can now go straight to the market and click on trade. That's the BTC USD, and we have the balance here. So what I want to do is I want to go to margin trading, in which I want to trade cryptocurrency, which is other pairs to BTC. So I need to convert my USDT to BTC. So what I'm going to do here is I'm transferring everything transferring everything to BTC. So this is just the normal spot trading. We just buy. If it's not filled, you can cancel and use the market order. We use the market order from here, 100% of the amount, and buy. So once that is done, we can now come back to transfer again. Now I'm transferring my BTC from spot to margin, and I want to use it for Qtum BTC, the total amount, and confirm. So after this is done, we'll now go straight to margin trading. Now we have our margin trading. Now let's go to Qtum, which is this. We have Qtum around here. So this is our balance here. So if you can go through that process step by step, you would find your balance available here. So now, what are we looking at? What position do we want to take? So if you look at this, this is not a clear chart around here. What you just click on this, it will direct you to the Okex trading view site, and you have this. So now what we're looking at, take note of this. This is a 12 hours time frame. You can also bring it higher to 1 day time frame. Now whenever I look at this, what I see here is a double bottom chart pattern. What is a double bottom chart pattern? You see, there are two different things you need to know. Whenever you have a double bottom chart pattern, it indicates price is about to reverse back to the upside. This is what we call reversal, when price is going back up. Why continuation to the downside is this, is moving down to this place. So in this particular pair, we're looking at double bottom, and this double bottom is called ETH and Adam. Normally ETH has a rounded bottom, while Adam has a pointed bottom, just like the REN BTC I charted and posted on my Twitter. The same setup was seen here. So how do we calculate this and know when to buy and stay off from the market? So we have our resistance here, which is this week. Let me make it very bold so you can all see it. So we'll have our resistance around here, and we have the rounded bottom and the pointed bottom. So from here now, since we have these two bottom, what are we going to do? We have to now calculate our take profit. To what extent do we expect price to go, or to what extent do we want to close our position if it's been picked? So now to calculate it, we have the height from here down to this level. We're not using this week, forget about this week, we're using this and this. So this should be yellow, and the height of this you can copy and paste. The height of this will be dragged to the top, which is basically the breakout level around here, and we have this horizontal level here. So since we have this, we can now make out something like this level is what we're looking out for. But take note of this, whenever I see something like this, I look at the nearest resistance. What's the nearest resistance? We have something around here. So we're looking at two different levels. One is around here, which is the 24,442 up to 26k. So if we're looking to take our position and the TP, which is the take profit, we're looking at from here up to this place. I need to make this bold. Let me quickly do this. This should be black, sorry, this should be blue, this should be black, and this should be red. I think this yellow, black, red. The other one should be green, black, blue. So these are what we're looking out for. So now the problem most people have in technical analysis or how to take a position, you don't just buy at this price, you don't just buy here. There is high probability that price might stop here and continue to go down. In order not to be stuck in such kind of a trade, I prefer using a buy stop limit order. And for you to take a buy stop limit order, there should be a little percentage away from this resistance. Should be like, I normally advise 2%. So 2% will now be from this price. So we're looking at taking this position around 22,685 sats. So you can click on this, go to settings, it should come out, come to coordinates. Okay, it's 23,135. Then copy. Let me change the color so you would see it clearly. So this is what we're taking. So if price doesn't get to this particular level, it won't pick your order. It will only get to that place. If it doesn't close above this, it will only get to this place and pull back down. It won't touch your order, which in this you have automatically escaped that continuation to the downside. So now we'll go back to OKX. Now we're using stop limit. I told you we're going to use what? We're using a buy stop limit order. Buy stop limit order, we have the trigger price and the order price. Now the trigger price would be the price at which you have to set it. Once price gets to this trigger price, it will automatically buy you at this. This is the price you want to buy, which is this. Looking at this, that's 231.35. so it will only bring out the 231. Why this should be 0.000230. So once price gets to this, it will automatically pick you at this. And what is the quantity you want to buy? Let's say we want to buy 5. Let's leave it at 5.3. Or let's leave it at 4.2. So we have this, and you can place your order. So now once you click on buy long Qtum, it will tell you when the market price is raised to or higher than 0.003230 BTC, it will trigger the order to buy 4.2 Qtum at the price of 0.00231. So you submit and you see your order down here. So these are the best way to trade so as not to get dumped at. And I was looking at this, in which I actually told people not to buy inside. There are more high risk if you buy inside, which is below this resistance. If you buy below this resistance, there is high probability price will likely dump. So it's better you wait for this candlestick breakout, which is a little bit like 1 to 2% away from this level of resistance. So once you wait, price will go up and closes there. There's high probability to continue to move higher since it has closed above the resistance. So back to this, we have our levels around here. We've placed this already, so we just need to wait for this to continue moving higher. So if this eventually knocks price down, this would not be activated. So until this price gets to this particular level, it will be activated. So these and many more I'll be posting, and in the coming days I'll be posting different kind of altcoins and market updates, live trading. And if you want to be part of this, like and subscribe. And you can also drop any coin you want to see me chat, and just let me know. Just like, subscribe, and enjoy the rest of your day, and be blessed.